Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2016 Honda Pilot for sale. This vehicle comes in a black exterior with a gray interior. Some black and silver accents throughout as well. Sunroof. Do have memory seats here. Power seat controls, driver's seat. Steering wheel. We've got rear seats here with that one folded up so we can see back to the third row seats. And rear climate control. Quick peek up here at the front of the vehicle. We have an entertainment system in this vehicle also for your rear passengers. Coming around to the back, we've got our Honda Pilot Elite all-wheel drive badging, power opening and closing trunk. Of course, you can fold down the third row seat for a little extra storage if you need, and push button to close. So, hopping inside the vehicle, we've got a push button ignition. Mileage currently at 104,163. We've got our Honda touchscreen display here. And let's see, we currently have navigation pulling up here. And radio. Backup camera. Below that is climate controls and the shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.